What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Hannah Monet. By the title, today I'm going to be doing a room tour with you guys. I've had so many people on my Instagram ask me to do a room tour and be very detailed about it, so I figured why not give the people what they want, you know? But before we get into the video, I do want to share a newfound partnership that I am a part of now. I am now a Teami partner. For those of you guys that don't know what Teami is basically a plant-based company that has things like dietary supplements. I really love their products because sometimes it's really hard for me to keep a healthy diet while having such a busy schedule and being on the go all the time. Right now I am trying out Teami's green superfood blend. It's super good, you guys. It comes in this little container just like this. So one thing that I really love about this is that it's vegan and it's also dairy free. So this specific green superfood blend is actually a matcha blend. So for those of you that have had the matcha tea or something like that from Starbucks, it kind of tastes similar. Now you can mix this with anything. So I like to put it in my smoothies in the morning, but you can also mix it with water or you can mix it with juice. So you can do whatever you want with it. You can get your veggies out the way with this. And another cool thing is that they have these super cute tumblers that you can mix the green superfood blend in. So I really love Teami. They have a lot of great products, you guys. Make sure you check them out. Their link is going to be in the description box down below. You can also get 20% off your purchase by using my code. I'm gonna put it like right here for you guys. My code is HannahMonet20. So use my code to get 20% off a purchase of $24 or more. But make sure you guys go check out their stuff. It is amazing. I love their products. So you guys, before we go ahead and get into the video, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure the notification bell is on, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so I do apologize if the lighting is trash. I have my lights turned off. This is usually how I have my room looking at night. I like it to have like a really chill, warm environment. So when you first walk in, my bed is right over here. So you can see my whole room, but I'm gonna start over here actually. So I have this table. It's not really a TV stand and it's not really a dresser, of course, but I like it being low. I don't know, I just like low stuff. That sounds weird, but I don't know. So this is a marble top table though. It's actually a coffee table. I got this off of Amazon. I think it wasn't more than $50, I know that, but it's really cute. It's really good quality, like it's super sturdy. It's holding a 50-inch TV, so it's pretty good quality, I guess. You know, I've had it for over a year. As you can see on the bottom, it also has like a little bar on it, which I really like. I have my shoes in there. That looks messy, but that's just an extension cord for all this stuff that's plugged up. I actually need to push that back so I don't start a fire. But as you can see, I have some of my shoes under there. Now on top, I like to try and keep it as neat as possible. I have my jewelry right here. It's missing some because I have jewelry on, but I usually have my jewelry right here. My MacBook sits right here. If I'm editing or something, I won't sit here because it's not really comfortable. I'll probably be in the bed or sit at like the bar in the kitchen or something. But it's really nice because I can just pop my charger in because my charger is on the other side of this, on the back side. So it's really easy for it right there. I have my sunglasses and everything. I usually try to keep like all my accessories up here, but try and keep it neat just because I don't like to tuck them away. I like to have them out so I can just look at them when I need to when I'm putting outfits together. So a lot of my stuff is from Shein. As you guys can see, a lot of my hauls are Shein. So that's, you know, all my accessories. So then I just have like some of my favorite items I like to use. Next, I have like my Himalayan lamp. I really like it because for one, it has like a really cool vibe. It gives off like, you know, some warm tones, which I like to be in. I feel like it's more relaxing with warm tones. I also like it because if you do your research, Himalayan rock lamps actually give off like good I don't know what it's called, but it actually is helpful to your environment as well. So I'm not really sure, don't quote me because I don't know exactly what it does, but I do know it has benefits. So look that up. It's cute, but it also is good for you too. So I really do like Himalayan rock lamps. So if you look over, here's my Teami stuff and here's my mirror. What's up? But if you look over, here is my Teami stuff that I mentioned to you guys before. I like to keep that up here in the front just because, for one, I do use it a lot, but it's also a super cute aesthetic. So I like to have that there. It's sitting on top of some shoe boxes. Now, the main reason why I have these boxes here is because I don't have enough space for them in my closet, but it's also kind of a cute aesthetic as well. I just kind of like the look that it's giving off with everything over here. So I really do like the look of the boxes. It's different. I don't know. It might sound stupid, but I just think that it kind of adds to the aesthetic of my room. Now behind my TV, I do have these pictures. I got those from Target. I honestly don't remember how much they were, but I like basic art. Like sometimes I like colorful art, but a lot of times I just like basic stuff. That way you can mix it together with a lot. My tree is from At Home, and it's just a tiny bit taller than me. It's really cute. I actually have it behind my mirror, which looked weird at first to me, but then looking at it now, it looks really good, especially with the rock lamp bouncing off of it with that warm light. So I just like, this is like my little favorite area of my room right here. And then right next to it is my mirror. Now my mirror I actually got from Home Goods. This mirror is, I want to say it's 72 inches. I'm not completely sure, but it was under $100, which is extremely crazy because most mirrors this large are way over $100. So Home Goods has some really good stuff if you guys are looking for cheap but cute stuff for your room. This is really good quality. It's metal, so it's like, it's really thick and it's actually super heavy too. So it's great quality. And again, I got it for like under $100. So next to my mirror, I just have a smaller mirror. This is for if I like sit in front of this mirror, which I do a lot to like do some skincare or something. I'll just have a smaller mirror. This one I also got from Home Goods. That mirror was, I think it was $10. So it's pretty good. Honestly though, like it's a little wobbly now. Oh my gosh. So it's like super wobbly. It's kind of like on its last leg. So I'm probably gonna have to go get another one, but it's lasting me like a year for $10. So I don't think that's bad at all. So next I have my clothing rack. My clothing rack is mainly used for outfit ideas. A lot of the times I will have photo shoots and in my head I think of like 10 outfits and they can't just be in my head because I'm going to forget. So I like to have them out so I can actually visually see what I need to wear, what I have planned for a photo shoot or for an event or whatever the case may be. So in the front, I have this Urban Outfitters bag. I love the bags that they give you when you shop at Urban Outfitters, but I saved one just because when I do go on my shoots, if I want to take like a spray bottle for my hair, some gel, anything like some flats or my slides for if we're walking and I have on heels, anything, I like to bring that bag because it's just really handy. I usually change this out probably once a week, but this is just what I have out there for outfits that I plan on wearing for the week. And then the shoes, the same way. So whatever shoes that I have planned, I'll just put on the bottom. Now these little bars can't hold heels. So all my heels I just lay out, but I do put like all my tennis shoes up there that I have planned with the outfits. This is really useful to me. You don't realize how much you need a clothing rack until you actually get one. So it's really useful, I love it. So next, I do just have my camera and my ring light just sitting out. It just sitting out there because I use it all the time. So there's no point in me putting it up. I use it at least once a day. So I just have them out kind of neatly pushed against the wall. Because like I said, I use them so much that there's no point in me putting it away because I'm going to take it out again. I'm not going to show you guys my closet because it's a lot of clothes in there. There's nothing to it. It's just clothes. And I'm not going to lie, it's low-key messy, but that's my closet right there. So right next to my closet is this director's chair. My sister actually got me about maybe like 2 or 3 Christmases ago. I think it was like 2 or 3 years ago, I can't remember. But I used to do makeup, so she got that for me to be easy for my clients, but I love it for the aesthetic of my room. So I use that for myself. I never honestly sit in it. I almost use it as like a prop for things. As you can see, I have tons of bags on each side. So I really just use this for, to hold like my bags, you know. Pillow I got from Walmart, actually. That pillow was like, I think like $5 or $10. But it's really handy. Like I said, I mainly use this chair for a prop. But once I move and get a little bit more space, then I will more than likely actually use the chair. But right now, there's really no purpose in me using it. So I just use it to hold things. So this rug that I'm standing on is so soft, you guys. It's like, I don't know if you can like see the quality of this rug, but this is my favorite rug ever. It is so soft and it's really fluffy. It's like not that cheap fluffy either. It's like good quality fluffy. So this rug is from At Home. I honestly don't remember how much this rug was, but rugs are expensive. So if you're moving or something, or getting a new house, getting a new home, apartment, whatever, you realize how expensive like household items are. It's ridiculous. Like rugs, beds, lamps, everything is so much more expensive than you think it is. Right next to my chair is my nightstand. Now, first, my lamp, I actually get a lot of questions about. I don't know why. Like, I don't know why people are so interested in lamps. But my lamp is from Target. Only reason why I actually got this lamp, because it's super basic, you guys. That's why I'm surprised people actually ask about it. It's so basic. It's just white. Now, I do like this part about the lamp, though. I do like this. So, I do like that it has a little pulley thing or whatever. I don't know what that's called, but I like that. The main reason why I got this lamp, actually the only reason why I got this lamp, was because it has a outlet on the end. So while I'm in bed, my charger is like literally right next to me, so I can move around with it. So that is literally why I got this lamp. That's the only reason why. Got that lamp from Target. You know, of course, we got the hand sanitizer. Stay safe out there, folks. Keep your hand sanitizer on deck, okay? I got my Dasani, you know. Dasani is elite water of all time. You know, Dasani is it. So I got my Dasani water. This table is not really a nightstand. It's really just like a side table, but I like that kind of sleek look. Now, you can probably tell now because I've had this for over a year, but oh, you can really see it right here. This actually used to be gold, so it wasn't black. I spray painted it black, and it's about that time again because I don't want to get rid of them. They're really cute. Like, these are really good quality tables, but it's about that time to spray paint it again because I think it's wearing off. But it was gold, and I don't like gold that much in a room or as like decorative pieces in a home. So I wanted it to be black. The only thing that I don't like about having nightstands that aren't full-on nightstands that you can like see through, like this one, is that you can see all the wires and stuff, which get on my nerves a little bit, but it is what it is. So right above my side table is this piece of art here. It is so cute to me. I love, love, love this painting. I know that it's off-centered, okay guys. I just recently moved my room around because this is more comfortable for me, so that's super off-centered. It just doesn't look right, but whatever. So this is from At Home. At Home has some really good paintings, so if you're ever looking for some nice paintings to go in your house, go to At Home. They have some cute stuff. This is, I don't know what kind of art this is or if it even has a name, but as you can see, like, it's actually coming off of the canvas. So I just love this. It's so pretty to me. And like I said, I know it's basic, but I love basic looking pieces because you can just do whatever you want with it. So moving on to my bed. My bed frame is from At Home as well. At Home has some really cute bed frames, like under $100, so I love that. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's velvet. And I love grays. As you can see, I'm like a big fan of blacks and grays. I don't know what it is. Black, gray, and white all together are like my style. and then add like a little piece of color here and there. But this bed frame is from At Home. So as you can see, I have 1,000 pillows. So somebody posted on Twitter how girls always have a whole bunch of pillows on their bed. And I never realized how many pillows I actually had until I saw that tweet. But, and I should have made my bed up a little bit better, sorry guys. But I have 10 pillows, that's crazy. Like I literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 pillows on my bed, that is so crazy. And I still feel like I need more, like that's ridiculous. But this bed set is from Target. It's really basic. This is actually a duvet cover. So I actually have a different comforter on the inside of this. It came with these two right here, which is okay. I mean, eventually I'm probably gonna like trash this and like get something a little bit nicer. I do like the solid color. I'm probably gonna get something else that's a solid color, but I kind of feel like even though it's Target, I feel like I can get something better quality, honestly. And then these two pillows I got from At Home. They're super fluffy, they're super soft. I had these for over a year and they still have like their little fluff to it. So they're pretty good quality. I really like these. So these two pillows in the front, I love. These pillows are from Target. They're super soft. It's crazy because I've had these pillows for over a year and white is not my friend, but these pillows have stayed white, so I'm so proud of myself. And then lastly guys, I just have this little throw blanket on the end of my bed. This is from, I think I got this from Walmart. Yeah, Walmart has some really good throw blankets. It's just super soft. I think this is a king size blanket. This blanket is humongous. So I really love big blankets. So I love, love, love this. Okay guys, and that was everything in this room tour video. I hope I was detailed enough. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure the notification bell is on. And I will see you guys in my next video.